Here is the after video. After sky blue carpet cleaning came in. You saw the before video, and this is an old carpet. I can't believe how great it looks. It looks new. This has got to be 15-year-old carpet. Look terrible. Sky blue, you're amazing. Let's look at the rest of your job. It's amazing. Steps look great. Can't believe the way this looks. And this is 15-year-old carpet. Wow. And the bedroom looks amazing. Wow. Hallways. Wow, look at that. It was all bedrooms like new. The whole house. What an amazing job. Sky Blue Carpet Cleaning, you're my carpet cleaner for life. Anton, what an amazing job you did. Thank you so much. And you were reasonable and professional, and I'm so happy.